Welcome to another video from Matt's Metalworking. In this video, I will be showing you how to use and read an Imperial Vernier outside micrometer. Micrometers, also referred to as a mic for short, is a precision measuring instrument which is accurate to 4 decimal places or 1/10 of a thou or thousandths. This particular mic can be used to measure the outside diameter of a shaft or ball or measure the length, width, or thickness of other objects. A small wrench is typically included with a micrometer in order for adjustments or disassembly. They are also able to take transferred measurements when using a bore gauge as shown in my previous tutorial video. These are available in 1-inch increments, so that would be 0 to 1 inch, 1 to 2 inch, 3 to 4 inch, 4 to 5 inch, etc. Now to go over the parts of the micrometer, starting with the C-frame, a rigid construction in order to minimize any flexing that could affect the accuracy. The frame is available in a variety of sizes in order to achieve the 0 to 1 inch, 1 to 2 inch, 3 to 4 inch, etc. ranges. Next is the anvil, a stationary piece opposite of the spindle that is used as a measuring surface. Across from the anvil is a spindle. This is used as the other measuring surface used to close onto an object to take a reading. Here's a lock located on the C-frame. This is used to hold the spindle in place to take a reading. This is the sleeve, which remains stationary. That includes both the linear and vernier scales, which I'll show you in a moment. As mentioned earlier, the wrench included with the mic can be used to move this part in order to zero the reading. Next is the thimble scale. Now is the thimble, usually having a knurled surface, which is used to operate the spindle. The edge of the thimble, where it covers the sleeve, is used as a reference edge to help read the sleeve's linear scale. And finally is the ratchet that has a preset slip in order to apply the same amount of pressure to each part you are measuring. A quick demonstration of operation. As you can see, the thimble rotates, and when it does turn, this also rotates the spindle, allowing it to open or close. Then the lock is applied. This particular version twists. It holds the spindle and thimble into place. As for the ratchet operation, once a set pressure is achieved between the measuring surface, the ratchet will slip in order to help achieve a common accuracy. When using a micrometer, it's always important to ensure it has been zeroed and both the measuring surfaces of the micrometer and the part you are measuring is clean. Starting with the first example, using the machined sides of this round stock, there is 2 ways you can use a micrometer, one by adjusting the drag or tightness by hand or using the ratchet. Normally when using bore gauges, you would adjust it by hand as to not risk affecting the reading. This does take some practice and comfort when using the feel method. There should be mild pressure on the part, enough where you can feel the surface contact but not too much where it's hard to remove that part. Apply the lock and take the reading. First we have passed the 500th thou increment. Next we have also passed the 75th thou increment, both dictated from the reference edge on the thimble. On the thimble scale, using the thimble scale using the linear line from the sleeve, the 3rd line has passed, so far giving us a measurement of 578 thou. And now for inspecting the vernier scale, we need to determine which line aligns best on the thimble scale. We have 5, giving us the 4th decimal place, so the final reading is 578 thou and 5/10, or 0.5785. This time around we're using the ratchet. A couple of clicks is really all that's needed, and make that consistent amongst all your measurements. Measure the part. First we have 400th thou. The reference edge has passed the 75th increment. The 9th increment on the thimble scale has passed a linear line on the sleeve, so 75 plus 9 is 84. This gives us a current reading of 484 thou at the moment. Now reading the vernier scale, the aligned line is 4. Our final measurement is 484 thou and 4/10, or 0.4844. A quick demonstration between feel and the ratchet. First by feel, measuring the diameter of the scrap round stock. The reference edge has passed the 700 thou line, but the thimble hasn't made a full revolution yet. On the full revolution of a thimble, it is 25 thou. So far we've only passed 23 thou, so our current measurement is 723 thou. Looking at the Vernier scale, again picking the best aligned line, we have 7/10. The final measurement is 723 thou and 7/10, or 0.7237. And now using the ratchet this time, taking the same dimension, again we have 723 thou as the first measurement. Flipping over to the Vernier scale, same measurement as before, being 7/10. Our final measurement is 0.7237, or 723 thou and 7/10. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and throw a like my way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more metalworking videos. Thank you for watching.